this laundry room. They should make laundry rooms like this. Like, I don't know what that crud is. It looks like, I don't know. The person that lived in this house had a knack for spilling soapy stuff. So anyway, I love this shelf here. You can put all kinds of stuff on there. And then they have the shelf here above the hookup. There's some, it's dripping, it sounds like. And there's a nice little window. But this is, okay, so there's another shelf there for hanging things. And then this, you know what this is? Make sure I don't get conked on the head. Look. I'll do this. It's an ironing board. The cover is in pretty bad shape, but they should do this more often. They should put ironing boards in laundry rooms. If you're going to have a big laundry room like this, why don't you have one of these ironing boards that folds up into the wall? I love this.